एक ऐसी recipe which is a staple in almost all South Indian households and the rest of us love it too. वैसे तो sambar recipes differ from state to state, but the one we are making today is एकदम spicy, tangy Chennai style sambar. An appliance which is India's first AI cooking companion. If you're new here, you'll see how easy it is to cook on appliance. अब बस choose करो क्या बनाना है, do the steps and let it cook. Okay, so my mouth is watering already, so let's get started. First we have 2 large spoons of ghee, 1 small spoon mustard seeds, 2 dried red chili, half small spoon hing and 10 curry leaves. And now let's saute our spices. So sauteing is done and it smells beautiful. And now let's add our next set of ingredients. For our next set of ingredients, 5 cloves of garlic, 3 grams of ginger and 1 green chili. Our spices are cut and let's scrape the jar. It's always important to scrape the jar so that the spices that are stuck on the walls, they don't get burnt. And now let's saute our spices. And next, we'll add our cute little onions, or as we like to call it, shallots, for that sweet oniony taste. तो अगर हम थोड़ा सा generalize करें तो सांबर actually differs a bit from state to state. जैसे कि चेन्नई सांबर है बहुत tangy and थोड़ा spicy. आंध्रा सांबर is more spicy. Bangalore सांबर is a bit on the sweeter side because of the jaggery. And then we have Kerala सांबर. Kerala सांबर is a bit coconutty. We have 100 gram brinjal and 120 gram tomatoes. 1 large spoon sambar powder, 3 small spoons salt, half small spoon turmeric and half large spoon tamarind paste, 1 stem of drumstick cut in 8 and our pressure cooked dal. So this recipe actually calls for pressure cooked dal. So you can use your leftover dal from last night or you can pressure cook the dal last night and use it the next morning. And now I'm going to chill. I have all the time in the world because appliance here is going to take its sweet time and make the sambar for me. So sambar is ready. Oh my god, this smells so good. Well, sambar tastes amazing. I absolutely love it. It makes me feel like I'm in Chennai somewhere, you know, about to have this with ghee soaked dosa. Oh my god. By the way, you know we have a sambar cook-off. We have RCB versus CSK. For that you can click here. And you can let us know what should we try next in the comments below.